Happy family there, but moving away from that, stray leopards are reportedly causing sleepless nights for residents of Siaraini and Classic areas in Nyeri County. So far, residents say the leopards have killed at least 9 sheep at a slaughterhouse in the area. And angry residents now say they cannot sleep for fear of being attacked by the wild animals. Ibrahim Karanja tells us more.
Sheep carcasses splatter the ground at a slaughterhouse in Siaraini. The few unlucky sheep are still clinging onto life, though clearly kicking their last hours after the brutal encounter with the leopards last night. Skins torn apart and blood spots on the ground are clear signs of a night of terror visited on the poor animals by the wild cats.
Today in the morning we received a report from one Shelmi Wageshi. She's one of the people who bring animals here for slaughter. So they are kept here overnight waiting to be slaughtered the following day for supply to the market in town. So when they came in the morning, they found 9 sheep having been killed by a wild animal. And it is suspected that they were attacked during the night because we have a watchman who is resident here. And he has reported to have had a commotion during the night. But since he was alone, he says he saw about 3 strange animals. Maybe he's suspected to be leopards.
An eyewitness who is a guard at the slaughterhouse saw through the attack, and he is devastated. For the owners of the animals, they have been left counting losses.
Na nikatoka nje nikakuta wanyama kweli na wameua mbuzi mingi, lakini ningeomba tu mweze kufanya kila jitihada au wanyama waweze kukamatwa area hizi. Walileta mbuzi usiku kutoka Isiolo, sikamwagwa na gari, tukaingiza kwa nyumba, sikakuwa mingi, kabidi silale nje.
Hata kama hatungeweka ingine kwa nyumba, hasara ingekuwa kubwa sana, lakini ile ni ile shasha tu tulikuwa tumeweka nje, ndio hasara haikuwa kubwa. Sasa wakati daktari alikuja, tukaona ni vizuri turipoti hii maneno, juu huyo mnyama anaweza kuta hata sisi akule na juu ni huyo mnyama tunaambiwa ni shui.
It was sad for us because now the bushermen, they have lost a lot. Yes. And actually these animals, they came last night from Isiolo and they were to be slaughtered today or if not today, tomorrow or Monday. So it is a loss. Now we could ask for assistance because this is the work we do, and here there are always animals. There's no time that we don't have either the cows or the goats.
It is a substantial disruption of routine here. The residents expressing fear in going about their businesses at night, for they know not who else can fall victim of the leopards.
And we have called the KWS officers because basically they are the ones who deal with the wild animals. And the report I'm getting from them is that they are going to act immediately and bring a trap which they will use to try and get the animals and maybe return them to the wild where they belong.
Ibrahim Karanja, KTN News.